Hello and welcome. Often we need to update custom properties, rename them, add or delete custom properties to a large bunch of files. SharpTask is a perfect tool to achieve this. Here I have an assembly in SOLIDWORKS with some properties. We take a look, see a number of properties here, and I wish to perhaps delete some of them, I wish to add some of them, and I wish to perhaps rename some of them. So for example, this project property, I want to update it rather than being called project name, and I might want to remove this cost property. Maybe that's a property I don't want to send out to my suppliers and manufacturers. So let's take a look at how SharpTask might achieve that. So I'll click OK, and we'll just save and close this assembly down. Going back to SharpTask, make sure first of all we select the folder where the assembly lies. I've done that. Select the file extensions we want to use, parts and assemblies, and also then we select the task itself. So I'll browse our online library, click on the add or delete custom properties tasks. We have a description there. We'll add it to our scope. So let's take a look at some changes that have been made to this task recently and how you can use them to your advantage. So now under property name, we have some placeholders that can be used to either remove a particular property, remove all properties, or add all properties, and replace property names as well. So let's take a look at how this is going to work. Let's first of all set up the property that we want to rename. So I'll just say project. Then I'll use my replace placeholder, and then immediately after type the new name of the property that I want. So we'll call it project name. And I can do sort of combinations. So if I separate, I can say I then want to remove. So I want to remove this property, and the property that I want to remove is cost. And I can again build up sort of combinations of this as well. I don't need to specify anything under value because I'm not adding any properties as such, so I'll leave that. But if you did want to, again, note the properties that you have here as well to add new values. Process document properties, so that just means we'll be processing the file level custom properties as well as the active configuration. We can also choose to specify a particular configuration if we wanted to. That's all we need to do. Just specify which version of SOLIDWORKS I want to use SharpTask to process these files, and then we simply click on Run Job. And we'll see SharpTask go away and start to process these files and produce a report of which files succeeded and if any have failed in there as well. So we can see upon opening the file that our cost property is gone and our project property has been renamed to project name as specified. So that is how you can use SharpTask along with the add delete custom property task to manage custom properties in your SOLIDWORKS files, either adding new ones, deleting new ones, or renaming properties as you need as well. Thank you.